In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on App Cloner and click on one of your supported apps that you wish to clone, like Messenger. Now just click on gray sweater next to Create App Clone at the top and wait. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. When you're ready, you can go back and check it out. Or click on those two options to adjust them first. Rename App Clone and when using quick functions. If you want to get rid of this app, you can always click on the same now blue sweater at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!